So today starting the video with no intro. So PUBG Mobile is back and the new name of PUBG Mobile India is Battlegrounds Mobile India, and it's developed by Krafton and Battlegrounds Mobile India, and there is no Tencent shareholding here, so that's great. The game fully made by Indian and Korean company called Krafton and Battlegrounds Mobile India, so that's a great thing. And the trailer is out and pre-registrations will start soon, maybe probably in this month, and after pre-registration there will be the final launch of the game. So this game is not yet on Play Store, but soon the pre-registrations will start, and soon the final game will launch on the Play Store and you all will be able to play, and me too. So since it's a Battlegrounds Mobile India, so there will be exclusive Indian things in the game, like Indian attires and some Indian cars, Indian vehicles, and some Indian environment. That will be great, and it is speculated that it will be more fun and more interesting and better than the PUBG Mobile that we saw banned last year. But the introduction of Battlegrounds Mobile India, there are some restrictions on this game, like those who are below 18 will be able to play only 3 hours a day, and if you are under 18 then you can't spend on the game more than 7,000 rupees. Then esports event will be conducted on this game with this game, but those will be India confined only, and later on the teams will be able to compete worldwide, but for now the esports will be confined to India only. Again, you will be not able to change the servers on the game because this game is India specific only, so you will get only India server and no other servers like North America or Europe or South America, so you will not be able to change servers. And again, you will be able to play with only Indian players because this is only confined to India, so Indian players will be able to play with you. Next, again, the outfits will be different from PUBG Mobile. That means Indian outfits we will get to see, and yes, Indian taste is very good. And at last but not least, if you are under 18, you will be asked to provide your parents or guardians mobile number so that they can confirm that you are legally eligible to play the game. So those were the restrictions. Well, my thoughts are, see, the first restriction that if you are under 18 then you can play only 3 hours a day. That's, I think the instruction is very good, but the only instruction that I am not happy with is you can't play with global players right now. And also we don't know that the new servers like American servers or European servers will be added to the game or not, because this is Battlegrounds India Mobile, so there are less chances that those servers will be added, so you will not be able to play with other players. So the thing is that after the PUBG Mobile ban, many players switch to Free Fire or other games like Call of Duty, Free Fire and other games. So many players will come back to Battlegrounds Mobile India, but there will be many players who will not come back to Battlegrounds Mobile India. They will be stick to Free Fire and Call of Duty and other games because they have become used to it. So what will happen that the competency in the game will be less, and if we are considering the esports thing, then if the players are only playing with Indian players, then the strategy of only Indian players will get to know them, and when the teams will go to the global esports events, then maybe they will lack some experience. I will not say the practice because practice can be done, but the experience of the different strategies will not be experienced by the players in only if they are confined in India only. So that's, I think, the drawback of this India confined servers only. So that's it for this video. See you guys in the next video. Till then, this is Karan Gade signing off.